Hello and welcome to How to Use Google Drive for the Russell and District Horticultural Society Directors. I'm Jacqueline and I am here to walk you through this. So you can start by going to Google and you just have to type in Google Drive. That will take you to the website for Google Drive. I suggest that you bookmark this once you're there so that you can easily go back to it, but you can always Google it as well. So now you have to sign in, and if you already have a Gmail account, then it's very easy. You just put in your password. If you don't have a Gmail account, then pause this video here and go and create one. So for us, we have our account. We're just going to type in our password right here. It takes you to this page. So you'll see right there is RDHS Director Files. That's a folder that I've created and shared with anyone who has given me their Gmail account address. So if you haven't, send it to me now and then I will add you. If you have it, when you go with Shared with Me, you should see the folder in there. It's not in here for this account because it actually belongs to this account, but that's where you'll find it in the Shared with Me. So if we open up that folder, inside I've already created folders and saved files there that we had previously on our website under the directors page. This folder here, called Connie's Files, that's a folder I've set up for Connie to save any files that she has for the Secretariat, minutes and that sort of thing. She will be distributing them by email also. We can use this bar at the top to navigate. You can click on My Drive and you're back to the main area where you can also click on Shared with Me if you need to. So now I'm going to show you how to create a new document. Here you can create a folder. There are Google Docs, which are like Word Perfect or Word documents, that style. So we're going to click on Google Docs. It opens up a new window, which is a new document, similar to what you're used to working in word processing programs. We'll type in a little example here quickly so that you can see that it's just the same as using standard word processing software. You can edit the text, highlight, bold, underline, that sort of thing. There's no need to save as you go along, as the program automatically saves things for you. You can see under the File menu that there's no Save button. Now, right now, this document doesn't actually have a file name, so we're going to put one at the top. There's a box which automatically fill in with the first line of the text of your document, but you can override that and name it anything that you want. We'll put a sample, sort of a test in here so that you can see how it works. I'll show you how to email this document. You go to File, Email as an Attachment. A window opens up which gives you some options. You can send the file as in the format of a PDF, which is a standard file everyone can open but not change. The other option is a Microsoft Word document, which most people can open also, but changes can be made. In the To box, you put in the email addresses of the people you want to send it to. This is the subject of your email message that people will get, and you can put in some text, anything that you like a message. You can also send a copy to yourself if you like. Once you're ready, you click Send. Right now, we're just going to click Cancel and move out of this window. Now, if we're finished with this document, we can click on the blue square in the corner, which takes us back to where all of our documents are, as far as word processing documents are. If we want to go back to the drive, we click on it's the hamburger menu they call it, and at the bottom you're going to see drive, and that will take you back to the first screen that we started at. And you can see the document right there. So that is a very quick overview of Google Drive and how it works for the directors from the Russell and District Horticultural Society. So I hope that's been helpful to you. You can always contact me at info@russellgardeners.ca if you have any questions. Thank you.